Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you...
Hi everyone, welcome back to Better with Brigetta. Today I'm making chicken zucchini casserole. You're going to need cream of chicken soup, mozzarella cheese. We're going to add some carrots, sour cream, of course zucchini. Now it calls for 3 medium, but since one of these is so large, I'm just doing 2. And chicken, which I've got 3 chicken breasts I cooked. I added salt and pepper to them in my slow cooker, and they're ready to go. And I've shredded them up. And stuffing. Now you might remember Stuffing Gate, and that's where Mark ordered way too much for Thanksgiving. So this is my chance to use some of it. And our last ingredient is butter. Our first step is going to be to cut up our zucchini. And like I said previously, I've got one very large one and then one medium size. I can use a food mover. That would be faster. Now it's time to shred the mozzarella cheese, and of course no video would be complete without me shredding cheese. Okay. So we have our bowl of cut up zucchini. We're going to add the chicken to it. Okay, we're going to add our carrots to it. Might need a bigger bowl. We're going to try and get by with this size, the biggest one I've got. Chicken for me. We'll serve 6, maybe 8, but for sure 6. So be sure that you seasoned your chicken, whether you use rotisserie chicken or like I did. I had 3 chicken breasts, I salt and peppered them, and then I put them in the slow cooker. All right, we have sour cream. And our soup. There we go. Now we're going to stir to combine. And that's going to take a few minutes. All right, Mark told me I dropped some. Yeah, I did. Making a mess. All right, now we'll put the rest of our stuffing mix. Spread that around. This will give you a nice crunchy top. And it was that easy. All right, it's ready to take out of the oven. I cooked it for about 40 minutes. There's our crispy top. So we're going to let that sit for a few minutes and cool down. Then we'll try it.
I was a little skeptical about this. You know, it has a lot of vegetables in it. Not that I'm not a vegetable guy, but I wasn't sure what zucchini would taste like in a casserole. We tried this last week.
Very good.
Definitely was a winner, which is why we wanted to make it for this episode.
And I wanted to use the stuffing mix. Very good.
Take me a whole year to live down the stuffing gate
Yeah, what can I say?
from Thanksgiving.
This is really good. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps out the channel.
Thanks, Bridgetta.
You're welcome. We're going to enjoy this. See you next time.
Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally.